Hey, welcome to Stock Informer, your go-to for cutting through the market noise. Today, March 21st, 2025, at 12 o'clock p.m. PDT, we've got a wild one unfolding, and I'm breaking it down with the latest data you need to stay ahead. Trump's tariff saga just took a turn, and markets are feeling the heat. Let's dive in. Right now, stocks are sliding. The DOW's off 0.6%, shedding about 250 points to 41,331 after Thursday's close at 41,581. The S&P 500 is down 0.5%, sitting at 5,586, and the Nasdaq's matching that 0.5% drop, hanging at 17,416. This kicked off after futures went flat overnight, but the real trigger hit this morning. Trump's dropping hints of flexibility on his April 2nd reciprocal tariffs, dubbed Liberation Day. The S&P 500 is already 10% off its February peak of 6,132, and Goldman Sachs says only 60% of its stocks are above their 50-day moving average. This dip's got legs, folks. Here's the big twist. Trump's softening his tariff tone. At 9:24 a.m. PDT, CNBC caught him saying, "There'll be flexibility, but basically it's reciprocal." That's a shift from his hardline no exemption stance on steel and aluminum duties earlier this week. He's still hipping April 2nd as the big one, matching tariffs other countries slap on us, like 25% on Canada and Mexico, 10% on China, but now he's hinting at wiggle room. Treasury's Scott Bessent says each country might get a number based on their trade barriers, and some could dodge the hit if they negotiate fast. The VIX Fear Index is up to 19.2, signaling traders aren't buying the calm yet. Markets are jittery for a reason. Nike's earnings last night tanked PRE market after slashing sales forecasts to mid-teens. Declines blame tariff costs and discounting. FedEx followed, cutting its 2025 outlook on industrial weakness, and both are dragging the DOW. The Fed's no-help Wednesday's rate hold at 4.25%. 5 came with polls saying tariff inflation could stall their 2% goal. The 10-year Treasury's at 4.27%, gold's up 0.8% to $3,010 an ounce. Safe havens are in play. Tech's bleeding to the Magnificent Seven are down 1.8% this week, with Tesla off 45% in 2025. What's the takeaway today? Trump's flexibility tease is a curveball. Markets hate uncertainty, and we've got plenty with tariffs 12 days out. Watch the DOW at 41,331 and SPY at 558 into Monday. Any whiff of backtracking or hardline shifts could swing this hard. Are you playing this dip or holding cash? Let me know in the comments. I'm all ears. Like this, if it's keeping you informed, subscribe to Stock Informer and hit the bell for daily breakdowns. See you tomorrow. Stay ahead, stay informed.